Unit 40. From the ground up. The great structures of ancient Egypt and Greece, and roads built by the Romans, show that humans have been skilled at quarrying for thousands of years. Quarrying is primarily the mining of nonmetallic rock from shallow, open-pit mines called quarries. The two major products of quarrying are dimension stone blocks, or slabs of such material as limestone, granite, marble, or sandstone, and crushed stone. The Great Pyramids in Egypt, constructed more than 4,500 years ago, provide evidence of early building with quarried stone. Blocks of limestone weighing as much as 16 tons, 16.3 tons metric, are quarried and transported long distances to pyramid sites. Older quarrying methods were almost always concerned with obtaining dimension stone for use as building material. Hence, quarrying was limited to areas in which rock of uniform texture and coloration was available. This was usually granite or limestone. All three major types of rock are quarried: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. The most commonly quarried igneous rock is granite. Marble, quartzite, and slate are the metamorphic rocks most frequently quarried. Sedimentary rocks that are quarried include sandstone and shale. Limestone, marble, and granite are still much used for buildings and monuments. Slate is used for roofing and quartzite for flagging. Crushed stone is used for concrete and road building. Limestone is used in the operation of blast furnaces. Quarrying technique involves deep drilling and blasting to break the rock. When usable rock is found, the surface is cleared. A cut or channel is made to separate the rock from the solid bed or mass. Large blocks are separated from the parent mass, sometimes with the use of low-powered explosives. High-energy explosives that would shatter the rock cannot be used for dimension stone. A single blast may produce as much as 20,000 tons, or 20,400 metric tons, of broken stone. The broken stone is crushed into smaller pieces that are separated into uniform classes by screening methods. For most dimension stone quarrying, success depends largely on taking advantage of joints and cleavage plates or breaks in the rock. Granite, for example, has a rift along which it may be split with relative ease. For softer rocks, such as limestone and sandstone, a channeling machine is used. This is a power-driven cutter that makes a slot about 2 inches, 5 centimeters, wide and several feet or meters deep. Drilling closely spaced holes and cutting away rock in between may channel harder rock, such as granite. Unit 41. Have it your way. A limited selection of food that is prepared in advance and served within minutes of being ordered is known as fast food. Fast food restaurants are popular eating places in the United States. For decades, hot dog, hamburger, and other snack stands have offered almost instant meals. These were usually owned and operated by different owners. Modern fast food establishments, however, are usually not separately owned. Many of them are parts of large national or regional chains. This enables them to offer a great number, yet still limited selection of dishes at nominal prices and still make an adequate profit. Because they are chains, the food that fast food restaurants sell is virtually the same at every outlet. They generally specialize in one kind of food, such as hamburgers, pizza, chicken, or tacos. This specialization and standardization is maintained by the terms of a franchise agreement. The agreement requires every outlet to offer the same type of service and to buy its inventory from approved wholesalers. However, some chains have begun to diversify. One hamburger chain, for example, has experimented with pizza, fried chicken, and submarine sandwiches, and many restaurants now serve breakfast. Apart from immediate service and standardized products, fast food establishments differ from other restaurants by selling food over a counter. There may be tables so that food may be eaten on the premises, but customers are not seated and offered a menu. Some restaurant chains provide a quick service and standardized menus, but operate more like regular restaurants in that they provide table service and offer a wider range of food and beverages. Dining in these establishments is generally a leisurely but more expensive experience than that offered by fast food outlets. Most fast food meals are high in fat and sodium and low in fiber and nutrition. Chicken or fish entrees offer lower fat alternatives. However, fried patties and nuggets may derive more than 50% of their calories from fat. This number is well over the 30% recommended by public health organizations. Some chains provide reduced fat burgers, salads, low-fat milk, and juices. American-style fast food emporiums now can be found around the globe. In the late 1980s, American fast food companies began establishing outlets in communist nations. Pizza Hut opened a branch in the former Soviet Union in 1990, and by 1991, the McDonald's in Moscow's Red Square, serving 27,000 customers per day, had become more popular with tourists than Lenin's tomb.